blockbuster movies are in Smurfs. It takes a lot of Smurfs to make a movie.
This movie's gonna be Smurf-tastic. It's got Space Smurfs, Jungle Smurfs, and a big musical number.
Everybody has a different job to Smurf.
Hi, I'm Handy Smurf, the camera operator.
Hello, I'm Smurfette.
The star of the movie.
And I'm the star.
I'm Brainy Smurf, the director.
I'm going to be the star of their movie.
Lights, camera, rolling film, and action!
Hurry! Look at Trackless having a Smurf down.
After I catch you, I'll be the star of this movie.
Hey, they're not in this scene.
This time I know I'll die.
We're rolling!
Untentacle me, pride fiend. You call this hospitality? Sir, this vicious beastie.
If I can't be the star, then I'll ruin this picture. Look at our guests. They're Smurf Blue. Let's put them in the finale.
Okay, Papa. I just have to take care of a pesky little...
Next time, I will be the star.
Darkride helped me discover new stars.
It was great to work with you. Let's do lunch.
We'll see you in the movies.